So that what you just saw is kind of like the only reason why I came to the shop today. I needed to reclaim some screens. Today I was planning on printing the Vega 23 shirts for the channel, the ones that I did for the giveaway. But I have a screen printing press at home that I need to restore. It's actually almost already done, and possibly one of my friends is gonna be buying it. So I need to get that going ASAP. Tomorrow I might come back and finish up with these to fill the rack. I'm gonna be coating those tomorrow. Shouldn't take me more than like 15 minutes. And I wanna have that filled because I have a lot of work coming this week. We finally got Knife and Garment to come to Vega Print. I am very happy about that. I had a meeting with Matt and Amy yesterday. It was a long meeting, but it was a really good meeting. I was very happy that Knife and Garment will be at Vega Print. Super stoked about that. So let's go to the house and check out that press. I think my dad's gonna help me go buy the wood to build the pallets. So we need 2 pallets for that press. It's a 6 color, like what do you call those? I don't even know what you call them. You just kind of drill it on top of a table. A standalone press. It's not like this one. It's a lot smaller, but you can definitely get your work done out of that. So let's go check it out. And today was super simple for me, just reclaiming a little bit. All right, you guys, so it looks like I have to go pick up my dad's truck to buy the wood at Home Depot to build the pallets for this press. So I'm gonna go pick it up and then I'll see you guys at Home Depot.
It's the unknown, the unknown.
Let me see if I'm zoomed in or out. So it looks like I don't have my sunglasses with me because I left them at work. And my dad wants to go with me, so we're gonna meet at my house. And we're gonna take the truck to Home Depot to buy the wood that we need to build the pallets. My dad be repping all the time. Look at that. Vega Print right there. And then the V23 is on the top. All right. The truck. Es la que tiene blanco encima. Sí. Hola, mira esto. So if you guys are building your own pallets or screen printing, this is the wood that you need. See? So luckily we don't need the big sheets because we're only making 2 boards. We found a smaller one. A ver, vamos a ir a ver la máquina. Le pongo la alarma.
Sí.
Cintia, cerraste aquí atrás. You're no fun. Okay, you guys, so that's the press. It's nice and clean. We're gonna make the boards. They go here. And this, you pretty much screw it onto your table. And then you print away. So that's what we're working on. Oops.
¿Tiene algún candado ese?
¿Qué?
Para que pare en un lugar.
Sí. Sí, este. Oh, no, este no.
Tenía una seña, uno de estos tenía una seña.